Hello and welcome to our channel and to the next video. My name is Agboola Deborah, your host on this section. Today we will explore high-income digital skills to boost your career and finances. Subscribe to our channel and click the notification bell for updates. What are digital skills? Digital skills are abilities needed to effectively use technology and communication tools, from basic tasks to advanced skills like coding and data analysis. Why learn these skills? The world is digitalizing. Over 80% of jobs require digital competencies. Mastering these skills enhance employability, job opportunity, and flexibility. High-income digital skills. We have number one, we have data analysis. Learn Excel, structured query language, and Python for lucrative careers. $100,000 plus annually. Number two, we have digital marketing. Develop SEO, content marketing, and social media skills for high demand. Number three, we have the web development. Build websites, freelance, and earn competitive salaries. And number four, we have the graphic design. Master Adobe Creative Suite for high-paying creative roles. Then number five, we have the cybersecurity. Protect data, earn six-figure salaries, and ensure job security. What are the benefits? Increase earning potential. High demand skills command premium salaries. Then number two, we have the job security. In demand skills provide job stability. Number three, we have flexibility and freedom. High demand skills involves remote work options. Then number four, we have the continuous learning. It helps to stay adaptable and engaged. And number five, we have the impactful work. It fosters meaningful work contributions. Invest in high-income digital skills through online courses, workshops, and practices. Explore, learn, and grow in the digital world. Share skills you're excited to learn. Support each other's journey. Thank you.